Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another English listening practice video. I'm very happy you are here today to learn with me. In this lesson, we will learn 20 advanced English phrases. These phrases will help you sound more natural and fluent in everyday conversations. For each phrase, I will say the phrase 2 times, tell you the meaning in simple English, give you 3 example sentences. I will speak slowly and clearly. Are you ready? Let's begin. 1. Break the ice. Break the ice. Meaning, to start a conversation and make people feel comfortable. Examples. I told a joke to break the ice at the party. We played a game to break the ice in class. He smiled to break the ice with his new team. Two, under the weather. Under the weather. Meaning, feeling a little sick. Examples. I didn't go to school because I felt under the weather. She looks tired. Maybe she's under the weather. He stayed in bed all day because he was under the weather. Three, a piece of cake. A piece of cake. Meaning, very easy. Examples. That test was a piece of cake. Learning to swim was a piece of cake for him. Making this recipe is a piece of cake. Four, hit the books. Hit the books. Meaning, to study hard. Examples. I have a test tomorrow, so I need to hit the books. She hits the books every evening. Let's hit the books after lunch. Five, let the cat out of the bag. Let the cat out of the bag. Meaning, to accidentally tell a secret. Examples. He let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Don't let the cat out of the bag. I didn't mean to let the cat out of the bag. 6. Once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. Meaning, very rarely. Examples: I eat fast food once in a blue moon. He visits us once in a blue moon. That kind of mistake happens once in a blue moon. Seven. Spill the beans. Spill the beans. Meaning, to tell a secret. Examples: Come on, spill the beans. What happened? She spilled the beans about the surprise gift. He can't keep a secret. He always spills the beans. 8. Cost an arm and a leg. Cost an arm and a leg. Meaning, very expensive. Examples: That phone cost an arm and a leg. Her dress cost an arm and a leg. I want the car, but it costs an arm and a leg. 9. Cut corners. Cut corners. Meaning, to do something quickly and badly. Examples: The builder cut corners and now the wall is weak. Don't cut corners when writing your essay. She cut corners to save time. Ten. The ball is in your court. The ball is in your court. Meaning, it is your turn to decide. Examples: I gave him all the facts. Now the ball is in his court. She said yes. The ball is in your court. I've done my part. The ball is in your court. 11. Get cold feet. Get cold feet. Meaning, to feel nervous before doing something. Examples: He got cold feet before the wedding. I wanted to speak, but I got cold feet. She got cold feet and didn't apply for the job. 12. Go the extra mile. Go the extra mile. Meaning, to do more than expected. Examples: She goes the extra mile for her students. I always go the extra mile at work. He went the extra mile to make her happy. (13) Hit the nail on the head. Hit the nail on the head. Meaning, say exactly the right thing. Examples: you hit the nail on the head with that answer. Her comment hit the nail on the head.